Welcome to ICRA Juvenile e-learning platform. Microsoft Additional Accessibility Keyboard Shortcuts. Right shift for 8 seconds equals turn filter keys on and off. Left Alt left shift print screen equals turn high contrast on or off. Left Alt left shift numlock equals turn mouse keys on or off. Shift 5 times equals turn sticky keys on or off. Numlock for 5 seconds equals turn toggle keys on or off. Control E equals open search in most apps. Windows logo key A equals opens quick settings. Windows logo key Control C equals turn color filters on or off. Windows logo key H equals opens voice typing. Windows logo key Alt H equals move keyboard focus to the voice typing dialog. Windows logo key Control N equals open narrator settings. Windows logo key Control S equals turn on Windows speech recognition. Windows logo key Control O equals turn on the on-screen keyboard. Windows logo key U equals opens accessibility settings. Windows logo key W equals opens widgets.